go, your turn. Ready? 1, 2. Get over here. Come on. Whoa, you're okay. You're okay. Scoot yourself out of the way. Ready? 1, 2. I could send Tess all the way to the snow over there. Ready? 1. Ah! Go puss. Go puss. Ready?
Arden's licking the lake.
1,
Luke Luck licks lakes.
3. Last one. This is starting to hurt my knee. Yeah, make sure you keep your legs really, like your knees really stiff. Get on your knees and crawl. Well, either way, keep them really super strong, and when you feel me do the big push, sort of kick off of me. You know what I mean? Well, push against my hands when I say 3. Ready?
Ooh, that sound is scary.
1, 2, 3. Well,
Ah, here we go.